Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add shipping rates on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can click on the settings that we have right here. Now, once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see your settings. What we can do is we can click on the shipping and delivery. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the shipping right here. So you can actually add in here a custom shipping rate if you want. So the general shipping rate is actually this, where you can see your shop location as well as the free shipping that you have or the rate that you have. So you can click on this right here in order to edit the rate. So for example, you can add in here a price if you want. Like for example, let's add in here 50. Click on done, and as you can see, it's been edited. Now you can also add in here another rate, and you can name it, for example, a custom rate. For example, let's name this premium. And then in here, you can add in here price. Then click on done right here, and as you can see, it's been added. Next thing you need to do is to just save this progress. However, if you just want to add a new custom shipping rate, you can head back and you can add another profile. Click on this create new profile, and then after that, you can name this profile. So for example, let's name this premium delivery. And then in here, as you can see, customers won't be able to see this. Now you can add products that actually offers this premium delivery. Now click on done. And then in here, you can just add in here the shipping zones. Click on the create zone right here. And then for example, let's just search in here for Philippines. Or you can also just search in here for another country wherein you will offer this particular shipping rates. For example, you can also offer this to the United States or United Kingdom, however you want it to be. Then click on done once you have added everything. So for example, name this premium again, and then click on done. And then in here, you just need to add a rate. Click on add rate right here, and you can use the flat rate or career app to calculate rates right here. Now we can use flat rates. For example, let's name this premium as well. And then let's price this. Then click on done, and in here you should be able to see the rate. Once you're done with everything, just save your progress and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.